Rosie! 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 Look! Rosie! Hi. Come here. Rosie, you're a good girl. Look, look. You want a carrot? Why don't you walk inside, okay? Here, just take a picture of the ground right now. I want you to walk all through the house so that you can see. Oh, they did lots of progress. That's not very interesting. If you're going to do that, I think I'm going to keep it. Don't move it around so fast. You need to move slowly. You're not able, Wes, I just explain to you how to use it. Don't jerk it around. You have to move really slowly. Just panic.
do you get up there, Dad? How do you get up there? Here, you can have the GoPro. I think they're filling in the basement soon. Where's the recorder?
What?
Where's the phone that says what you're doing?
There you go. Okay. Looking up onto the second floor and the master bedroom. Looks like we started to put together the center chute. Hi, Rosie. The library floor appears to be down now. Kitchen has a good sense of space now. The cutout for the stairs, which I think Debbie wants to make a little bit steeper. There's Wes with a big smile. Do you know which your room is, Wes? There's Wes with a big smile. Do you know which your room is, Wes? He's pointing up and to the northwest. Guest bedroom with its fridge, which Jamie uses to keep his tools and batteries warm with a incandescent bulb. The bathroom servicing the master bedroom. Rosie, what are you doing? And Debbie's studio, one of my favorite rooms of the house. Lots of nice light coming through. There's the window treatment there. All finished and ready for a Bigfoot window. Let's see if we can get up higher.
It's hard because it took him a long time to go back. Where's that?
Gotta be careful going up here. Oh, in Wes's room. This is Wes's room, I guess.
I think that's my room or Owen.
It's a fairly nice space. There's more room than I thought. Probably dark for the camera, but
Oh, it's the starting preview. That is a starting preview.
can you see me? Oh, maybe I'm out of range.
Maybe. Now it's working.
Yeah. I think I got too far out of range. You guys have a big bathroom. Nice big window there.
I know, it's big. Big window there.
Yeah. Oh, I like your bedrooms. These beams here, I think, are going to be lowered to the next set of support beams because we thought that was a bit too high. There's a Christmas tree, hasn't dropped its needles yet. Looking over to the south, you can see the floor of the master bedroom and the framing for the floor of the library and other areas. Be really careful coming up there, Wes. I think it's probably maybe not a great idea if you do that. Why don't you just hang there? Well, I think that's probably as much as we can see. I'm gonna shut her down. Hope you enjoyed the tour.